And the National Association of Law Students is requesting the decentralization of law education in the country. The association, after a protest march in Accra, submitted a petition on the denial of some candidates' admission into the Ghana School of Law to Parliament as well as the presidency, as reported by Lord Edo Asari.
Members of the National Law Students Association, as well as some sympathizers, registered their displeasure over the treatment meted out to some 499 candidates who refused entry into the Ghana School of Law.
What we are saying is that is unfair, that is arbitrary, and that is capricious. And it is repugnant to the natural rules of law and justice and fairness under Article 296. And we are asking that those 499 students be admitted.
The vice president of the group indicated that their message was clear.
The epitome of the issue, what is it that we are fighting for? It's fairness, just. And we are supposed to become the nation lawyers. I mean, so we are only, so even if it's 2 or 3 people, and it is fair and just, and we are asking that they open up the legal education system. I mean, we are Ghanaians. They shouldn't push us to go to other jurisdictions to go and learn law.
Minority Leader Haruna Idrisu, who received the petition on behalf of the Speaker of Parliament, called for the establishment of a Legal Education Review Commission to evaluate the current regime to allow more access.
Honors due at this juncture would be for the President to set up a Legal Education Commission, get a number of retired deans of the Ghana School of Law, including Lagos. I have listened to the expansion in number of faculties to 19, and it's still growing, and probably to consider even zoning access to professional education, at least 1 or 3 locations in the country.
After several hours, the aggrieved protesters picketed across the frontage of the Jubilee House before meeting the Deputy Chief of Staff in charge of operations, Emmanuel Adumwa Bosman, to submit their petition.
The initial petition that was brought has been submitted to the Attorney General to commence work on it. As it is now, we have to be patient and wait for that process to be exhausted. We are quite optimistic that at the very least, some workable proposals will come out so that holistically and realistically we will deal with this matter once and for all.
MP for Medina, lawyer Francis Osu, who met the aggrieved students at the forecourt of Parliament, assured that he will help follow up on their petition.
The state has a constitutional obligation to take care of its own. The state has a constitutional obligation to arrange its affairs in ways that will secure equal opportunities for all. What we are doing is violating the right to opportunities by these people. And that is why I have come to join them to demand that the 499 students must be admitted, and they must be admitted now.
Out of a total of 2,824 students who sat for the 2021 law school entrance exams in August this year, 790 were passed by the General Legal Council. But after releasing the results, 499 students who say they obtained the over 50% pass mark were denied admission based on a new policy by the Council.